Following from the first class on capacitance, let us now do a small derivation on capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor amagi mai capacitance puthokse. Capacitance haidai da karine haikre ability of storing electric charge. Let us see how much charges can be stored by a parallel plate capacitor. Now let us take the two metal plates like this. Metal plates on the kanda, let it induce, let it produce, let it be connected to the positive terminal. That's why it is positive plate. And the area and the A is the area of the plate. Area of the plates. Plates animal sugar is high some on the right side, very close and nearby, you will have the second plate which is negatively charged like this and connected to the negative terminal. Okay, and the distance of separation between these two plates is D. Let us say D. And what was the size of the plate? A is the area of the plate. Okay, then the electric field will be E naught vector. Let us say E vector has E vector is the electric field between the two plates, and how much potential is applied across the two plates. Let us say it is connected to a battery of potential difference V. Alright, then what is D? D is distance between plates. Plates single label distance. Let us assume there is vacuum in between the two plates. Vacuum lay and lower C. Then try to recall the definition of charge density. Charge density ki magi definition to ningsing of charge density to kaya mane sigma do q by a ne nadra. Then electric field of such a plate ani level target that was equal to sigma by epsilon naught. You should recall these two formula. Gauss theorem application na siya infinite plane sheet ki matang da adudana sida 2 yawani sida na 2 yawroi because why 2 is not here? Because there consists two metal surfaces. Aduna doi batagadi nang na sidagi E se puthokpa taragadi sigma to q by a sinjiladi kai tare q by a sinjiladi q divided by epsilon naught a taroidra. This is the definition of charge density, surface charge density. From definition of charge density, let us come to the definition of electric field. Electric field is charge density by epsilon naught. Charge density by q by a singular. Now, let us recall the relation between electric field and electric potential. E se kariga mane ki koina magnitude katang lagu targadi dv by dr ga mane ki bane. Relation between electric field and electric potential ay mamang na high. However, nang nasida potential do dv ki mota koi hoji kya lai re v lai re. Potential say how much potential is applied, potential v is applied. How much is dr? Is dr distance ki mota kya lai re d lai re. So if you find v from here, v nang hide puthodi kai ta ni e into d taroidra. Let me remind it again. electric field is equal to dv by dr. dv की मोटा कोई v ले रहे, dr distance में साधु मोटा d ले रहे, का लेता है कि v equal to e into d लाए. Now let us come back to the derivation again. अदु दी कहता हो रहे सीधा एक कोई ना potential electric potential v से पुतो क्या है दी electric field into distance d ले रहे. electric field दी हौजिक तो कई ताक रहे c ताक रहे माई वैल्यू सिंजिलो अदु ताक दी सीधा नंग ले दु से q by f c ले रहे epsilon naught a ले रहे. अदु नंग सीधा की q by v पुतो अदी कई तारनी q by v पुतो अदी epsilon naught a by d होएगा तो उन्हीं का e की मतलब सिंजिला को नहीं epsilon naught a by d तारनी ट्रांसपोज तो किमें वाने q naught by v epsilon naught a divided by d. That is by definition of capacitance c तो दी कई का माना करे q by v ना तो अदो बता के लेफ्ट साइड से कई थंबे आ रहा है c थंबे आ रहा है capacitance c is equal to epsilon naught a divided by d. So this is the final expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when the medium is vacuum. Vacuum होए वो कान लेके तो वो माई क्या होता है capacitance निर्माण से ले इसे. अदुना let us focus on the final expression now. Vacuum होता है कि epsilon naught से जिन रहे a area e ले रहे distance of separation d ले रहे. अरे ताकि capacitance capacitor अमगी capacitance करम करम factor द depend तवी है ना हंगे आद्रा मुका. अरे कमाई कई factor द depend तो रहे depends on the area of the either plate, distance of separation between the two plates, and the nature of the medium between the two plates. Yadra, I am saying the factors from the last expression here. What? I say the last expression is in high now, instead of this vacuum, keeping this vacuum, if you introduce any other dielectric medium हमारे मास से completely filled होगा लेना lower से minor with dielectric constant K, then how will the capacitance vary? Let us see. If we introduce a dielectric slab, in the presence of a dielectric slab, in the presence of a dielectric slab है क्या पाव है मैंने K तो कहीं मान रहे by definition of dielectric constant it is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught ने असीधे की नंग ना epsilon बुधवारी क्या तार है K times of epsilon naught, then the new capacitance C prime लो कहीं मान रहे ने epsilon A divided by D लाने new capacitance कर्म capacitance when the dielectric slab is introduced. अदुदी असीदगी कई दौरा है असीदगी नंगना epsilon की मोटा करी सिंजन में यार है K times of epsilon naught A divided by D. अदुदी epsilon naught A by D दी साइड कई का माने कि C का माने कि epsilon naught A divided by D दी C का माने अदुदी ताकि this implies the new capacitance C prime is K times of the initial capacitance when there was vacuum in between that. अदुदी क्या हो रहा है K value दी 1 की always साउबनी ना this C prime is always greater than C. अदुना vacuum मरकत लाइव medium से vacuum लाइव कांडे लाइव capacitance C दुदगी अकोई ना dielectric slab हम हाफ से लगाने लाइव capacitance C prime दुना C से always साउबनी because that is because K is always greater than 1. So here comes the effect of introduction of the dielectric slab between two plates of the capacitor. Okay, go. Kari effect no adi tagadi capacitance always increases when a dielectric slab is introduced between the two plates of the capacitor. Okay, go.